Hey Geek, so it's another beautiful morning here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And if you do get a chance to ever come here, I highly recommend it. It's an absolutely amazing place. But today I want to talk about, well, work. Because as much as I like to vacation all the time and do nothing else, the reality is there is work to do, especially if you are going to be a travel creator. So let me show you a little bit of some of the things that I have to do. And so at the time of this video, it's around 9 in the morning, but I've been up since around 6:30 in the morning and basically doing two things. The first thing is getting all the footage ready that I've already collected and editing it, doing video editing. And so early in the mornings, this is when I like to do the video editing, and it's the thing that takes probably the most time, because getting all the clips that you want, editing in the way that you want, is going to take the most time for most people. And then the other thing that is, well, vital to all of this is getting the footage. And so once I get done with some early editing, I'm going to go out there practically the whole day and get footage. And so I have all my gear here, and obviously my camera is here as well. So this is my everyday carry. This is what I'm going to take with me. I even have a tripod, selfie stick here, have an umbrella because it does rain a lot here in Malaysia. And I got, you know, my phone, my water, all my supplies that I need whenever I go out to get footage. But at the end of the day, I got to put all of this stuff together, and this is the setup that I have. I have my 13-inch framework laptop. All my footage is here, and then I'm doing video editing on this secondary monitor. This is a 15.3-inch monitor. This is a 13-inch laptop, and that is basically what I typically do in a day. A lot of my time is spent editing, okay, because, you know, even though I do enjoy it, it's a lot of work. And obviously the most important thing is actually going out there and getting all the footage, and that could take a lot of time depending upon what you want to capture, where you want to go. And so that is actually part of the work that's involved in doing this type of travel videos if you are going to be a travel creator. So if you had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you do this, if you're a travel creator, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode.